Why explaining your thought process matters.
Being able to clearly articulate your thinking is a key skill in tech careers. During interviews or team discussions, how you explain your reasoning can make a big impact. It not only shows your technical knowledge, but also your problem-solving approach, communication skills, and your ability to collaborate on complex tasks.
Break down the problem.
Start by clearly restating and breaking down the question or problem. This shows you understand the challenge and are organized. Outline the main points and ask clarifying questions if needed. By vocalizing your approach, you help listeners follow your reasoning and demonstrate a systematic mindset.
Think out loud, step by step.
As you tackle the problem, narrate each step of your thinking. Describe the options you're considering, the pros and cons of each, and any assumptions you're making. If you reach a challenge, discuss your thought process in overcoming it. This transparency can highlight your analytical skills and adaptability.
Use clear and simple language.
Express complex concepts in clear, jargon-free terms when possible. If you must use technical terms, briefly define them. Keep explanations concise and logical. This makes your process accessible to people with different backgrounds and shows you can communicate across diverse teams.
Check in and summarize.
That end, give a brief summary of your solution and that path you took to reach it. This wrap-up reinforces your understanding of the problem and leaves a lasting impression of confident, professional communication.